This is our project presentation for SIH problem statement number 86. AI-based timetable generator that follows NEP 2020 guidelines. We are Innovatex and our project title is Tymely, the AI-based timetable generator. This is our prototype code. The GitHub repo link and the sample dataset is in the below description. Now let's take a look at the sample dataset. The student's dataset gives us the student ID, their name, the program they are enrolled in, their semester and section. The teacher's dataset gives the teacher name, their teacher ID, number of working hours per week, and their subject of preferred choice. The courses dataset has the program name, the semester of the program, and all the courses that are in the program, their course code, the number of credits per semester, and what type of category it is, whether it's a major course, minor, skill-based or elective. SLab tells whether the course is a lab course or not. Style tells if it's a lab course or hard theory course or is it hands-on and interactive course. Number of semester gives us the maximum number of semester a particular program has, and minimum total credit gives us the minimum number of credits required for a program. The feedback CSV has the individual feedbacks given by the student about the course and the teacher. This is used in the timetable generation. The classroom CSV has the information about different classrooms, where they are located, their classroom number, and how many students every classroom can hold. That is their capacity. Now let us start the server. So I'm going to run the command npm run dev, which will start our server. This is the login page for our website. The first is admin login, which is for the university administrators. The sample admin login is capital A hyphen 001 and the password is Tymely. As you can see, the portal is very user friendly. The home page of this admin login is the upload and settings panel where we upload the data set and the timetable configuration settings. This allows university to adjust timetable according to the changing NEP 2020 guidelines. Now let us upload the dataset. Once the dataset is uploaded, the admin will be able to see and modify all the courses in the courses tab. The admin wants to add a new course to any subject. Once the dataset is uploaded, the admin will be able to see and modify all the subjects that are assigned to the different courses. So if the admin wants to add a new subject to any course, he will click on the add course option here. Select the class, which is going to be B.Ed Sem 1A. The type of course is going to be skill based. The subject name will be teaching. Number of credits is 2, and it's going to be a theory class, and the course style is hands-on. Semester is 1, and I'm going to assign Rahul Mehta. And now the course is added, and now the subject is added to the course. Here you can see teaching has been added to B.Ed Sem 1A. If I want to delete this, I'll click on delete, and now the subject is deleted. Now we are going to modify the timetable settings. So number of working days is 5. I want 7 classes per day, and the break slot will be in second and seventh period. That is 2 periods before ending, and the number of elective period is 1, and the class duration will be 50 minutes, and I want 7 free periods minimum per week. So now let's generate the timetable. I'll change it to 7. Now let's generate the timetable. The timetable is generated based on AI-based and colony and genetic algorithm that provides a semester-wise conflict-free timetable for multiple programs, B.Ed, M.Ed, Four-Year UG program, and ITEP. The algorithm takes into account multivarious hard and soft constraints, including student data, elective choices, and enroll credits, curriculum structure, the course code, credits, theory and practical split, the faculty workload, availability and expertise, teaching practice schedules relevant for B.Ed and M.Ed, and room and lab availability and capacity. In the admin portal, we will be able to see all the timetable generated according to the teacher and students respectively. If we take a look at the teacher's timetable, we will be able to see that they have ample time to focus on their research or course requirement and guide students. Here we can see the timetable for different courses. Students have enough time for self-development and to focus on studies. The key unique features are scenario simulation, announcement, and easy rearrangement of classes. The simulation tab allows us to simulate different scenarios such as what will happen if a teacher is absent. So I'll click on teacher absence, and here the parameter will be the teacher name. So I've set this as T001, the teacher ID, and the scenario name I'm going to have it as teacher absent. Let's change the S to A. Now let's run the simulation. So here these are the classes that the teacher teaches, T001 teaches. Now this is the details about the substitution, which teacher will occupy which class, whether it becomes a free period for the students or will any other teacher replace T001. Now let's take a look at another scenario. Let this be more free periods. Scenario name more free periods, and the parameter here is 0.005. This means that I'll increase the free period by 5%. Let's run the simulation. So these are the generated timetables that have 5% more free period. So this will be generated for every class. So if I show this, it will be a long thing. So I'm just going to move on. The announcement tab. This is where admin can send announcement regarding fieldwork, internship, and project component to students and teachers and can be grouped by classes. If I click this, then I can send it to any target class. This is for all students. The website can be integrated with AMS software like Zoho, Moodle, or QuickLearn. The advantage of this is that it gives us seamless interoperability by providing us the input data set in forms of CSV. Now let's take a look at the student page. The sample student login is capital S hyphen 1001 and the password is ABC. The student dashboard is the home page where the student can see the courses assigned to them, and in today's timetable they will be able to see their daily timetable. As today is October 5 Sunday, we have no classes on this day. But if we click on Monday, we'll be able to see the classes assigned on Monday, the timetable for Monday. And in the calendar, if we choose any date, let's say Thursday the 16th, that date's timetable will be displayed in today's timetable. And here the student name is Bobley, that is why it is Hello Bobley. And total classes say the number of classes in a week, and free hours is the number of free periods in the week. In the timetable page, student will be able to see the entire weekly timetable and download it here. So if I click on download PDF, it will download it here, and you can see the downloaded PDF timetable. And download Excel is for the Excel format, and text is for the text format. And here you can see there are elective periods. So here we are supposed to choose the elective for a student, and this is only applicable for classes that have elective. So when a class has elective, here the student will be able to choose any elective. I want to learn ML, so I click on ML, and here it says once confirmed you cannot change. So it cannot be changed after confirmation. After I click OK, here you can see the changes reflected. Now the period has become ML elective. The notification page gives the student info if any announcement is posted or if a class has been switched or postponed. Now let's jump to the teachers page. The sample teacher login I'm using here is T-002 and the password is ABC. Here the teacher name is Rahul Mehta, that is why we can see hello Rahul Mehta, and dashboard is the home page of the teacher portal. Most of the functionality for this page is similar to that of the student dashboard page. The daily timetable shows the everyday timetable. Here we have no classes because it is Sunday and obviously there will be no classes. And Monday, if we click on that, here we can see the schedule for Monday. And this here gives us information about the class progress. This feature works better or best when connected to an AMS software, from where we can get input for the class progress. The calendar is similar to that of the student page. So if I click on Friday the 10th, that day's timetable or schedule will be up here. Weekly hours is the number of working hours the teacher has every week. Free hours is the number of free periods the teacher has, and the total classes is the number of classes assigned to the teacher every week. Courses is what course has been assigned to a teacher. So if I am a teacher, these are the courses assigned to me. Now let's take a look at the courses tab. The courses page gives the teacher a better view of their classes, and when integrated with an AMS system, this page can be used by the teachers to upload resources and assignments to the students. Let us take a look over the schedule page. This is where one of our interesting feature comes in. As you can see, this is the teacher timetable. But when you click on any class period, it sends a cancellation request to the admin. So if a teacher wants to cancel a class due to their personal reasons, it can be done with the help of a click. It is as easy as that. The class is completed lets the teacher have a count of how many classes they have taken a week so that they don't cancel many classes. The notification page shows the message sent to admin and announcement and messages received from the admin. As you can see, the cancellation request is now sent to the admin and is waiting for approval. Now I am going to approve the cancellation request. Let's log into the admin portal using the same credentials. we will find the cancellation request in the cancellation request tab, and if I click approve, the request will be approved and the respective teacher will receive notification stating the class is cancelled. So will the students. Teachers who teach the same class will receive substitution requests. I am going to the announcement tab as I want to send an announcement to the student. Let's say a company ABC is coming for an internship and they are hiring students from all departments. So the heading is going to be internship and message, we are looking for interns. This is a sample message. I'm going to send this to all students as we are looking from all departments. So now the announcement has been sent. Now let's go to the student page to verify the notification. I am using student ID 1038 as the student is in Rahul Mehta's class and will also receive the announcement. So the password is again ABC. As you can see, we have received the message about the internship and the notification about the class cancel. So let me cancel these. Now let us go into Rahul Mehta's portal. So it is T002 and password is again ABC. If we go to the notification page, we also got the internship message as I had sent the message to both teacher and student, and here we have also received from the admin about our cancellation request approval. Alice Smith also teaches for the same class as Rahul Mehta. As the class is cancelled by Rahul Mehta, Alice Smith has a free period in that period slot, so she would have received a notification. Let's go check, and as you can see, the admin is asking if Alice Smith wants to switch classes with Rahul Mehta, that is, take over the substitution period. So if I click confirm, that class has been assigned to Alice Smith. So friends, thank you for watching the video. This is our project. Thank you.